Do you still remember us? Will you listen to our story? Memories of you and me, of the streets we used to roam, of love, of tragedy, of life, and everything in between. This is a memoir, our memoir.
Be there waiting for you.